Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Raya app not working in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First, make sure your internet is working properly. Switch using Wi-Fi and no data. A weak connection can prevent Raya from loading. Step 2. Force close the app. Now swipe up from the bottom of your screen and pause to open app switcher. Find Raya, then swipe it up to fully close the app. Reopen it and check if it works. Step 3. Restart your iPhone. If the app still isn't working, restart your iPhone. This clears temporary system glitch that can affect app performance. Step 4. Update the Raya app. First open the App Store, then search for Raya app. If an update is available, install it. An outdated version obtain causes crashes or loading issue. Step 5. Check for iOS updates. First go to the settings, then general, then software update. If an update is available, install it. Raya may not work properly on older iOS versions. Step 6. Check notifications and permissions. First go to the settings, then Raya app and make sure permission like notifications, background app refresh and cellular data are enabled. Step 7. Delete and reinstall the app. If nothing works, delete Raya from your iPhone, restart your phone, then reinstall the app from the App Store and log back in. And that's how you can fix if Raya app not working. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.